Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos vegetarian. Start by preheating your oven to medium-high and arranging chips on a baking sheet. Layer beans, cheese, and veggies in even amounts to ensure every bite is balanced. Keep hot and cold toppings separate until the end. Finish with fresh herbs, a squeeze of lime, and optional crema for contrast. Serve immediately so chips stay crisp and flavors pop. For great vegetarian nachos, focus on contrast and texture in your ingredients. Use seasoned beans for protein, a melting cheese or vegan option for gooiness, and chunky salsa for tang. Add crisp items like pickled jalapenos and diced onions for bite. Finish with creamy elements such as sour cream or a cashew crema, plus fresh cilantro and lime to lift every layer. Balance makes the difference between good and great nachos. When building nachos, stack strategically so every chip gets coverage without smothering the base. Bake on a single layer and keep an eye on the oven to catch that perfect melt and golden edge. Remove and immediately add cool toppings like avocado, lettuce, and crema so they contrast with the hot melted cheese. Cut into shareable portions and serve right away to preserve crispness and maximum flavor for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.